How to fix Instagram Reels not showing. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the Instagram is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. And if the issue persists, then launch the settings application on your device. Here you will see the option for general. Tap on that and then tap on the iPhone storage option. Further in the interface that you will be led to, scroll through and you will see the option for Instagram. Tap on that and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app. Doing this will clear the cache in the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, then go to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram option. You will see the remove app option in the menu that appears. Tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app and finally tap on the delete button. Once the app is deleted, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Further, go ahead and reinstall the app and then launch the app, and your app should be working just fine. So, this is how you can fix Instagram Reels not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.